Hello everyone, welcome to Advanced RX video tutorial. In this video we'll be looking at reports. In reports we'll be looking at two things. One is listing, other one is summary. So in listings we'll be looking at prescriber listings, patient listing, drug listing, insurance listing, and in summary we'll be looking at drug usage, prescriber usage, and patient usage. So let's get started. So in the reports tab you have both listing and summary. So in listing you have uh, prescriber listing, patient listing, drug listing, and insurance listing. Similarly, in summary, you have drug usage summary, prescriber usage summary, patient usage summary. So let's look all of them one by one. So let's start with prescriber listing. Prescriber listing is where you can get a complete list of all the prescribers that you have in the database. You can just select a date from date and to date and generate a report, and you'll have all the database of the prescribers that you have in your database. And you can just go here and select which are active, which are inactive. Okay, select the state, and that's how you get the list of all the prescribers. Similarly, you also have listing for patient. So you can just go here and choose the from date and to date and from where you need the listing. So I'll just go and change the date so that we get the listing correctly, and just go and generate, so you get all the listing. You can also go ahead and select the state, select the bin, select the type, whether it's a retail or an LTC. You can go and select the payment. You can go and select the name of the LTC. You can also go and select the plan, whether it's a cash patient, whether it has auto refill or not. Okay, then you can also go ahead and arrange it with yes or no, male, female, so you can arrange that as well. And so this is patient listing. Then you have a drug listing. Similarly, you can go and generate the drugs that you have in the database, and then you can select whether it's fall in regular class, even class, C2 class. You can also generate that way, whether it's a compound, yes or no. Okay, whether it's a brand drug or a generic drug, whether it's an active drug or an inactive drug, what is the type of the drug, whether it's an RX or an OTC drug. So that's how you can go and generate the complete drug list. Then you have insurance listing. You can also go and generate the listing of the insurance and see what all insurance you have in the database. Now we'll be looking at summary, wherein we can check the usage of each drug, prescriber, and patient. So let's look at drug usage summary. In drug usage summary, let's just go ahead and change the date so that we understand, since how what is the usage, and we can go ahead and figure it out. Just go ahead and change the date once again. And there you have it. And similarly, you can go ahead and arrange it ascending order or in descending order. You can select which class do you want to see. You can select which status that you want to see, sort it, top 200 quantity dispense wise, top 200 drug RX wise, top 10 bin and PC and quantity dispense wise, top 10 bin and PC and RX wise. Then you have LTC. You can sort it according to the LTCs, and you can also sort it according to brand, generic, OTC, RXs. You can sort it according to active NDCs, inactive NDCs. So this is basically your drug usage summary. Then you have prescribers usage summary. In prescribers usage summary, also you can the same thing. You can check which prescriber you have used the most, which prescriber you have used the least. So you can go ahead and select it in ascending order, descending order, and choose the plan, choose the name of the prescriber if you want as well. And similarly, you have for patient usage summary as well. You can generate the report, select which LTC the patient belong to, put it in ascending order or descending order to check which patient you have used the most, and that is how you check patient usage summary. So we covered two things today, that is listing and summary, in which we have patient, prescriber, drug and insurance listing. In summary, we have drug usage, prescriber usage, and patient usage summary. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day.